just did Mr. London's jump rope challenge. I'm not sure how long it's for. I think I skipped off of it. Let me see. Okay, he don't say how long. I guess you could do it for however long you want to. I'm gonna just do it for the week. I guess to finish out the month of July. I did a jump rope challenge in one of the keto groups. I think you had to jump rope for 10 minutes straight, whereas he breaks his up, as you see in the video, with other exercises. So, you know, if there's something that you want to do, go to Mr. London on Instagram, YouTube, Mr. London, and, you know, watch his video, and you can kind of see, you know, what you're doing. And the whole workout is 10 minutes. So go give it a go, and I'm about to get to my next workout. Peace. Hello. I just got finished doing 2 of my Pamela Reif workouts. This is week 2, day 1. And I did a 10-minute full body and then a 12-minute ab workout of hers. I think it was medium intensity, if I'm not mistaken. So again, this is week 2. I went all the way back to her first week. She just put out, I think, 3 or 4 new playlists for week 20 on her Instagram. But I'm gonna just start at the beginning and work my way up. So I'm doing the beginner program. She has 3 or 4. She has a beginner, a 30-minute, 45-minute, and then 45-minute plus fat burn, which she just added on more videos to the, you know, to it. So being that I'm just getting back into working out really and trying to get my strength up, I just start with her beginner, because her beginner is a kick butt too. So for this week, I'm gonna do the Mr. London jump rope challenge, as long as my knees will let me, because they started hurting while I was doing it. And then I'm gonna get through the week with my Pamela Reif. Her workouts are really good. She switches it up. It's not just the same old things every single day. Of course, some of the moves, you know, like mountain climbers, burpees, you just can't get away from that stuff. But I do like her workouts. She has something for everybody. She has short workouts, longer workouts. So it's not just one big long workout that's kicking your butt, especially if you're just getting started working out, or if you don't feel like doing a 45-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute, you just want to do like 8-10 minutes. She has something for everybody in every length that you can do. So that's why I like her, you know, for right now. So I'll catch y'all later. Peace.